Hi, hello, welcome to today's session. So, in the previous session of our discussion from the chapter Political Parties, we discussed and understood about the functions of political parties. So, I repeat, political parties contest in the election, put forth various policies and programs, then makes law, then they shape the public opinion, and they provide or they fill up various political officers. Then, most importantly, they provide access to the government machinery. Then, today's topic, let's discuss putting the question: how many parties should we have? How many parties should we have? So, in democracies or democratic form of governments, it mainly assures, provides an opportunity for any group of citizen to form to, to form and to make their own political parties and political groups. There is no any such restrictions. In order to understand better about this, how democracies or democratic form of government is giving an opportunity for people to form the political parties, in India, about 750 different political parties, they got registered recognition from Election Commission of India. So this makes clear sense to us that there is no any restrictions about the question that how many political parties should we have. Then, but the number of political parties which goes on getting the registration registered to Election Commission of India, the number is not important, but the political parties, one who is serious contenders in the elections, they are only going to get official recognition from the people. Usually, only because of that, only a handful of parties are effectively in the race to win the elections and to form the government. So the question then is, how many major or effective parties are good for democracies? I repeat once again, today's topic we are discussing how many parties should we have, but relating to the question, democracies or democratic form of government makes clear that any group of people or any citizen are free to form their own political parties. In order to support this, in India, about more than 750 different political parties are registered, and these 750 different political parties, many a time they are not going to be get recognition or identification from the people. Only the political parties which comes forward for effectively taking part in the race of election and in the formation of government. Then another question supporting to this major question is, how many major or effective parties are good for democracies? Let's discuss. In some countries, only one party is allowed to control and run the government. Hence, these type of governments formed by single party is mainly identified as one party system. One party system. So, one party system is mainly allowed to control and run the government in some of the nations, and there the political system adopted, it is one party system. The best example we can quote China. China is a nation where communist party holds responsibility in forming and running the government. Then, other than this, in some countries, powers usually shares or changes between two main parties. Two main parties and several other parties may exist, contest elections and win a few seats in the national legislature. But only the two major main political parties have a serious chance of winning the majority of seats to form the government. So such nations are going to adopt two-party system. I repeat once again, two-party system. Here only two major political parties holds responsibility in contesting the elections, forming the election, forming the government, and administering the nation. And several other political parties, if they exist, they do not hold responsibility in contesting and forming the government. Only few seats are going to be secured by these political parties. Hence, this kind of system is going to be identified as two-party system. So the best example we can quote United States of America and United Kingdom, that is England and America, are the best example for these two-party system. So with this, let me stop today's session, and the remaining part of the same topic will be discussed in tomorrow's session. Thank you one and all.